This is a simplified wiring diagram for an EFI application. The battery is grounded to the vehicle frame at the negative terminal. Its positive terminal is connected to a tachometric relay and to the ignition switch. A connecting wire runs from the tachometric relay to the positive terminal on the fuel pump. A fuse in the connecting wire protects the circuit. The fuel pump circuit is completed by grounding the fuel pump negative terminal to the frame of the vehicle. When the fuel pump operates, current flows from the battery to the pump. It flows through the pump to rotate the armature and completes the circuit by flowing from the negative terminal through the vehicle frame to the battery negative terminal. Similarly for the other components in this simplified system. Positive connections are made to a number of components from the tachometric relay. The relay only operates when the engine is cranking or running, so no current flows in any connecting wires at other times. Identification of the sensors and their inputs allows easier identification of the wiring diagram for any given system. Follow the circuit for each component from the battery positive terminal and trace its path back to the negative terminal. Components are earthed either through the vehicle frame or the ECU. The other EFI discs in this series examine in more detail some more sophisticated engine management systems and the operation of their components. You should view these other discs. Then investigate these more complex systems for yourself.